So guys, I'm just gonna put in the seasoning for the pot. This guys. So I'm looking about brown stew pork with rice and peas. So I'm just getting my scallion ready to put in the pot, guys. So guys, this is the scallion and the thyme. Garlic already gone in. And then a few pimento greens. And I'm gonna wash the pepper. Gonna wash the green pepper. So I'm gonna put a green pepper. And I'm gonna then I'm gonna cover the pot, allow that to come to boiling point. Then I'm gonna cut some more scallion and thyme for my pork pot. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let me just cut it over the pot. So guys, I don't know if you guys can see, so I'm just cutting my garlic. My scallion. This guys, we're looking about our favorite once through the pork. Let me cover this. So my thyme, my scallion, and everything going in. Pork looking real good. Let me see if I can bring this camera over where you guys can see more clearly. Oh god. Let's see if you guys can see. It's a little bit darker. That should do it. That should do it. So, so I'm gonna put a little soy sauce, Eve soy sauce in it. Okay, now so girl, get our thing for cook down and all of them something there. Stir it. I don't want this pot to burn me now. I'm gonna tip a little bit more water in it and allow it to simmer down more. That should do it. That should do it. And I use different fork for different pot. Okay, guys. Alright, so it's time for me to check on my peas pot. So about that. Alright, this come like good. Let me check for salt. Alright, need a little salt. Guys, I have to be careful with the salt because my sister, she can't manage the salt. So I'll just put this amount. She can't manage the salt, so I have to be very careful. Alright, let me remove this pepper because I don't want it to burst because kids gonna eat from the pot. So the juice already made. I already made string bean juice, guys, with cucumber. So that will be serving for dinner. So guys, I'm gonna put in the rice. So guys, I'm gonna cover it now and allow it to cook. So I'm just gonna check my meat pots, guys. Yes, this is coming out really good. Look at this, guys. See? It's really soft. So guys, everybody knows that when I'm cooking, I like to taste my pork, you know. This is one thing that I wouldn't recommend anybody to ask me to cook pork for them, because me know if I cook, never eat it out. Look at what I'm gonna taste, guys. See the amount that I'm tasting? It's really hot. It's hot. But pork is my favorite. Tastes really good, guys. Look at my rice and peas, guys. Guys, I'm not so much a fan of peas, you know. I don't really like peas. Not so much a fan, but I have to eat it. And other people want it to eat. So I'm just gonna take the time out, guys. Taking the time out. And the scallion, removing them from the pot. And stirring the rice. You can smell the coconut juice smelling really good, really rich and nice. I use natural coconut, guys. Blend my coconut and squeeze it in. I don't use the coconut powder. So I'm just gonna allow this to steam out a little bit more.
Ready to let go. You decide if you ever